What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another day of trading. It is January 18th, Thursday, 12:53 Pacific time. So we got 7 minutes or so left until the market closes. So another tough day. Let's get into it. So, yikes. Got hit yet again with save. So if you remember yesterday, let's get into it. I sold a call because of the down move. So I'm going to move quickly. So there's a couple other positions I want to talk about before the market closes. So we'll see here, my break even was down here at $6.49. Oh, actually, that's without selling the call. I didn't update this chart, so I will do that after the fact. I have a 10 call. I'm thinking about rolling to the 750 straddle and then possibly rolling out in time, but we might wait a little bit longer till we roll out in time. So let's check this out here. We're looking at the 29-day cycle. So I'm going to take these calls and roll it down to the 7.5 put. So that'll give me an extra 35 cents in credit. Will not affect my buying power. So let's go ahead and do that. 7.5%. Let's see here, or sorry, $7.50. Let's do 750 divided by last trade price of, let's call it $5.60. So we're looking for a 34% up move. It's possible. Let's do it. Let's roll down. Let's send that off. Let's see, we can't get filled yet at the mid price. I'm going to walk it down a penny at a time. 34. I do want to try to get filled before the market closes. Let's see here. You know what? I'm going to let it sit. Let's let it sit. Let's let it sit for a couple minutes. Let's go back down. I'll go to TLT because that's one that I will probably want to make an adjustment on, and then I'll talk about the others because I'm not going to make any adjustments. So if the market closes, no big deal. TLT, I've been letting it sit, and day after day, TLT has been trending down. So you'll see here, so my short spread, so my short put spread has finally been breached. So I'm thinking about moving this 102 down to the 100, maybe the 99 or 98 level. But I do want to give myself a little bit more room to the upside. I don't want to get whipsawed here. So let's just do this. So let's see, how much credit will we collect here? Let me actually cancel this working order. All right, so if we move it to the 99, that's only the 12 delta. Let's do 99, 101. We want to keep the same $2 spread, the $2 wing width. I'm only collecting 9 extra cents. It's not really worth it. Let's see, 98, 100. Okay. I'm getting an extra 15 cents. 15 cents versus 9. You know what? Let's make this small move. I'll collect a little bit, but I want to give myself enough room to the upside. And then worst case scenario, we'll either let this sit down closer to expiration since it's a defined risk position, or we'll consider rolling out in time at the 21-day mark. However, it's going to be a little bit more clunky because we're working with an iron condor. But anyway, you know what? Let's just ship this. Let's see if we can get 9 cents. Boom, filled instantaneously. So I will update. Oh, and there we go. We just got filled save. So we got filled with that roll down. So save, we're looking now. We have the what happened here? Why is it lagging? Interesting. Not sure why it's not showing the 7.5 10 or the 7.5 straddle. Excuse me. We'll see. Must be a glitch. Anyway, so if you remember, I put on the earnings trade for Alcoa. I did a mobile trade, so I was on my phone this morning. It was like 6:30 something in the morning. Let's see here. So, okay, 634. So I had a working order for 7 cents. I should have done it for 6 cents because I wanted $40, but I mistakenly put it for 7 cents. However, so basically the working order was to buy it back for 7 cents. The market was open. I didn't really want to wait too long, so I basically closed the position at a 14-cent debit. So I bought it back for 14 cents. So I made a $32 profit overnight. Nothing to scream about. So if I would have held through the end of the day, I would have been able to squeeze out. So this is 4 cents. I would have been able to squeeze out an extra 10 cents, so $10 total. I don't really care too much about that. That's all right. I wanted to get it off. Who knows where the market was going to go. As for earnings today, nothing that I saw that was super exciting. So I'm going to sit tight today. I made a couple adjustments. GDXJ, I rolled down the calls yesterday from, let's see, so we're now at the 37 level. So let's go ahead and move this down to 37. So we'll do 37. So you'll see here now we're in this range. GDXJ, let's see here. Okay, let's go. What's next? We got the GDXJ IWM. We're now sitting at the 182.201 level. So let's drop this down to 201. There it is. Market just closed. All right, IWM. Save. There it is. We got now it refreshed. 7.5 put, 7.5 call. Let's update this chart as well. Let's do it. So I initially sold it for 101. Then I sold the call for 24 cents, rolled down the call for another 34 cents. So we're looking at overall $1.59 collected. So let's do this. $1.59 minus 50. So 109 is the new target debit price. So let's put a working order for 109. All right, so looks like it resets. So we have save here. So it's showing the straddle. It's not looking exactly pretty because I put these on. I basically legged into the trade. I sold the call clearly after I put on the put almost 3 weeks after. So let's just see here. We can look at the options chains, the order chains. So I initially sold the put for 101. And then, what was it? Yesterday I sold a call at the 10 call for 24 cents, rolled it down today to collect another 34 cents. So we're sitting at the 7.5 straddle. So overall I collected $1.59. So my target initially was to buy it back at 50 cents so I could get a basically 50% return of the premium that I sold. So let's see. So I want to collect 50. So I want to squeeze out 50 cents. So let's do 159 minus 50. So I'm going to put in a working order to buy the straddle back at 109. So let's go ahead and get that done. 109 for a net debit. Let's see here. So 109, let's update the chart. Let's bring it down to so we're at the 7.5. What I want to do, I'm going to make this a different color. Let's see. Let's go with this yellow orange here so we know that this is a straddle, and I want to update my break evens because I want to see exactly where we want the stock to close within this next was it 29 days? I think we have 29 days left. Yep, 29 days. So we have 159. So let's see here. So for you guys at home wanting to follow along, 750 plus 159, that's 909. So you can get that down. Let's do that, 909. And then let's choose, I like to use this sort of pinkish color as the break even. So then what that means is we want to bring this down. So 750 on the downside minus 159, that's going to be $5.91 is the new break even on the downside. So let's see here. So 591. All right, guys. So let's see, we got that down. We're just about at the break even here. 570, 591. So we're close, right? Look, check it out. 591 divided by the last, so basically what was this closing price? 569. We need a 3.87%, let's call it 4% up move to get back into having a profit. So I like where we are. I'm going to sit pretty. I'm going to sit tight. And then we have it all the way up to just over $9. So if Spirit Airlines gets back up to $9, we'll be fine. But let's see. Let's change this color. What happened? Looks different. All right, guys. Let's save. TLT we adjusted just now, so 99 and 94. Let's move this down to the 99. Done. So you'll see I'm not gonna worry too much. I mean, if it drops, we could always move this into an iron fly, which is basically a straddle with wings to define the risk. So yeah, let's see how the rest of the week plays out. It's Thursday, so actually we only have one more trading day. So we got Friday to go, and yeah, I'll report back tomorrow. We'll see how we're doing. All right, guys, that's it for my portfolio review for today, Thursday the 18th. You know, nothing too crazy. Still pretty bummed about the save position I have, but you know what? That's the name of the game. We're gonna just keep rolling and rolling and rolling until we can squeeze out a penny or just cut it for a small loss, a few penny loss possibly. But as always, guys, give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Put any comments you have down below, questions, ideas, thoughts, trade ideas. Also, if you like what you're seeing so far, subscribe to my channel so I know that I'm doing a good job and that you can follow along and not miss a beat. Until next time, guys, appreciate you all. Take care.